Hi guys, how are you, mabuhay? Welcome if you are new here. Welcome back if you're already on my channel. This is Janet. Now I'm back for another video. I am going to share this full inspired look today. And this is my full look. For the first time I did this kind of look. And I didn't put any crazy, a lot of stuff on my eyes. I didn't put any wing liner. Just light lashes and some pop of colors. So this is like a full inspired look because trees is changing now and the weather is a little bit warm in the morning, so that's really good. So this is look that I'm going to share to you today and hope you like it. And we're just gonna jump right into our makeup full inspired look tutorial. We're gonna tie up our hair so I don't have to go over the place and make this closer. And I already primed my eyes, set some powder, and we're gonna start some fall makeup inspired look. Now I'm using some Urban Decay, the Born to Run palette, Riff R-I-F-F. Okay, just make it like a transition. All over the top of the brow bone as a transition, and the middle here to the crease like that, and just blend it. Next I'm going to use some orangey color, the Baja, this one here. The first one I did the transition is this one here, and now this one, the Baja, and in the middle here, the crease area. I just make it like a little bit darker. Now I'm going to use some like this Sokoto from the Saharan palette. This. Just on the outer corner, and just tap a little bit to the crease again, and just blend. Using the same brush earlier and blend. I'm going to use some Saharan 2, this color here, this one. To the middle and to the outer corner, like top of the orange. I'm just like blending some colors. I think I'm going to use my Modern Renaissance palette because this one, it's not the color that I wanted for. I'm going to use the Valetian red and red ochre matched together. I want to deep like a deep burgundy kind of thing. And I'm going to use some cleaner brush and blend. I used the other one earlier from the orange and blend to the top. Just keep blending, guys. Now I'm going back to the Born to Run palette, the pink, the deep brown, and here to the outer corner, really tiny spot, and drag that to the top and blend. Hope that it's dark enough. Now I'm going to use the Arm & Gorgeous palette, this in the middle here, the Guilt Trip And I'm going to put that here to the inner corner. That's not yellow enough. I want to have like a yellow. I'm just gonna see how it work. That one. So I did use the coin, the top of the guilt strip, just smoothing that corner there. I'm going back to the Modern Renaissance Venetian Red to top in the middle and blend. And now I'm going to the Born to Run, the shade Punk, deep brown, and blend. Just keep coming back on the shade that I use. I want to get like the color that I wanted for, so it's up to you how you do your look. But this is my inspired full pole look. Going to add some more coin. Now I'm going back to the old brush. There's nothing in it. I'm just gonna blend to the brow bone. Now I'm going to finish the other side. So that's the look. I'm going to put some stuff for the brow bone. And on the brow bone from Anastasia, the Vermeer. Neutrogena wipes. So that even enough, I think. I did that after I clean up. I'm going to use some primer. This is Becca from my BOXYCHARM. I've been using this. And this is gonna just a little. Using my hand, spread all this primer. And I'm going to use my Maybelline foundation, matte poreless Fit Me foundation, this one. And I'm using the brush Sigma 3D HD Kabuki. Just gonna use this. So that's the foundation, and now using some Tarte Tape Shape shade medium, and I don't just run down to my face using the sponge, the Morphe one, just tapping the sponge on the concealer and just going like that. Run down to my smile line because I get smile line all the time, and my darkness around here. And now I'm going to start spreading that on the under eye. Little bit on my nose, forehead, just like that. This is my routine on my face, and this is my easy to do, and I'm almost leaving soon. Then I'm using the Kat Von D brightening setting powder. Some of it is on my side that I put my concealer to stay on place. And I'm using Laura Mercier translucent. My face is so close to the monitor. But suck that powder on my face. And I'm going back to the Born to Run palette, the Baja. I'm going to dip this on the Venetian red, just the outer side, halfway. Now I'm using the Volumize Lash Paradise, the L'Oreal. I didn't put any wings or any liner on the top of my lower upper line. Do the black glue, this one here, and the lashes. Now I'm done to the lashes. Take a little bit while because lashes sometimes struggle. I'm going to put some to the inner corner, the one on they put on my brow bone, the Vermeer from Anastasia palette Modern Renaissance. I'm going to use the Anastasia contour kit, medium tan. So this is the espresso, just like a bronzer style slash contour. Back to the zoom. Sorry for the noises, guys. I'm going to use like a contour kind of thing again, using the Makeup Geek, the half-hearted warm medium in the lash Luxie brush. The other side, it's kind of not blending. The blush one, I'm going to use the Laura Geller from my BOXYCHARM. Just light-handed because this blush too, it's really pigmented. And I'm going to use some highlight, my Wet n Wild Precious Petals. I did set my brow with some NYX, and going to use the lip one, the Soar shade. I'm going to use my liquid lipstick, the Anastasia Aston shade. Matching on my eyes. Okay, I think I'm done using this little cute top. I think I'm done. So guys, so that's the makeup look. I finished the rest, and I'll be back to finish my hair. Yeah, my hair, so it will be nicer. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. I finished my hair. I didn't really iron it. I just tied it up like this in a bun and put some accessories. That's it. And so far I like the way how it looks. Some have some pops of colors in here. So this is my fall inspired look, and I really like it. And the lip is so matching on my eyes, so I like that. So inspiring. So hope you like it, guys, and inspired you to do your own look. And think that's the wrap. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.